For our final boot camp, you are going to be working with liquid concentrate. The bottles are a little bit messy, so just be careful. You're going to put 2 or 3 colors into your palette by putting clean water in your palette first, and then just a few drops of the paint. Now the more paint you add, the darker or more concentrated your color will be. Try to wipe off the bottles if they start to drip so that they don't end up on you or other people's hands. Now with this type of paint, we are going to be doing some of the same techniques that you did in your pan boot camp. We're going to start with gradient. So remember, you're trying to go dark to light. Moving on, you are going to work on wet on wet. So again, you're getting your entire surface there wet first. Try not to touch the other wet section, but you want to have a nice puddle on your paper. As you then add the paint, you will again see the kind of explosion of color, and it will continue to mix as the paint continues to dry. Next, we're going to work with dry brush again, so I'm starting with my smaller brush because it is a little bit drier, and I'm just going to put hatching motions into my section. For my texture section, I'm again just going to kind of experiment with some of my texture techniques from the Pan Boot Camp. I'm going to add some resist first, and then I will add some color. Maybe do some scratch lines inside, drop a couple grains of salt in there as well, kind of playing around with colors too. Now your last section again is to experiment. So try some different things, see what you can come up with, and most importantly, have fun. This completes our boot camp activities. You are then ready to move on to your practice activity using watercolor paint.